Hey everybody, it's Neil, and the women in my life are going sparkle crazy. They got sparkle boots, sparkle skirts, and now check out this sparkle hat. So check this one out. Look at that, how sparkly and shiny it is. It's gonna reflect, go crazy, but they like the sparkles, so look at all those sparkles on there. And it's a super lightweight hat. I don't think this thing here is gonna make it through like a huge windstorm or anything, but it's super cute for a costume or for just going to a cowboy bar and wanting to be seen. Very cute little hat, and that's what it looks like on me. I got a deep middle-sized head and it fits. I mean, it's probably gonna fit anybody. I don't think they necessarily come in sizes, so you're kind of stuck with whatever it is, but it's got the shiny silver background, and those are the sequin-looking hat. They're not separate sequins, it's like a mirrored inlay in there, so it's not gonna fall apart or anything on you. So, very cool, nice little hat. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.